Hello guys, welcome back to my channel How to PC. Today I'm going to show you how to install Bluestacks 5 on your personal computer or laptop. Firstly, we need to type in search box Bluestacks. Okay. Nice. Now we need to go to their website, bluestacks.com. Okay. Now just click on this button, download. Okay. And click on this file. Click on run. Okay. Apply. And now click on install now. Okay, our app was downloaded. Now we can search games and apps in Google Play Store. For example, Standoff 2. And just click on install via Google Play. That's all. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.